Okay, I look like a scrub right now playing PUBG while Fortnite season is on. But I don't matter. Well, today we're just gonna be playing some PUBG and just my character. So yeah, I'll meet you in the game because I don't want you guys to watch me. Just wait for the game. So I'll meet you in the game. Well, now I'm in a game. It's just really laggy. So yeet. Oh, okay. I thought we were gonna go swimming, but apparently we're not. So okay, where we're landing. I'm gonna meet this guy because I don't really want to speak to him. I'm actually gonna land. Bro, I'm gonna land. Where the heck are we? Okay. I guess we're landing with our teammates. Actually, no, I'm gonna. No! My teammate can go suck in an egg if he wants to. So let's see if I care. So I'm gonna land right here. If I can place my marker, I'll be happy. Ah! Yeah, I just want to jump already. I'll be back. Ah! Okay, we actually finally just jumped right now. I think I'm gonna have to land with my old buddy over here. Okay, we're on top of the building. This sucks. Get ahead, help me, please. Hopefully, I don't die right away because it is the pistols only. No, these are my houses. Move it. My houses. Get out of my house, yo. Yay! Okay, quickly get inside the house, look for a pistol, and murder them all. I'm just gonna close this. No, let me in. Close the door and look for a pistol. What is this? Pistol! Yes! Yes, Mamma Mia, I got a pistol. Okay, this is the only gun I'm gonna be able to get. I can get armor. Oh yeah, I never said I can't use smoke grenades, so I'll be back. So guys, I've been hearing bullets outside, so I'm just gonna camp in this house. Like, fine, I need action. Juanito's coming out for more! Attack! Wait, am I recording still? Yes, I am. Charge! Juanito will not be threatened by gunshots. Actually, I'm just gonna walk slowly. Snipper! Snipper, no snipping! Ah! Okay, I just lost the battle. God dang it! Just get in the frickin' car! I'm just gonna, like, go in here. Any better guns? No? No ammo? Okay, if I get this one, I get the same amount of ammo. Okay, doesn't matter. Is that somebody? Okay, my teammate's doing a lot better than me. Well, I'll meet you guys back. Okay, guys, I know there's 76 people alive right now, and I know I have, like, it looks like I have 0 kills, and I'm camping inside a house. But this is not what it looks like. I just been here because I haven't seen anyone yet, and I only have a pistol because I'm doing a pistol-only challenge. What do you guys expect from me? Just don't hurt me and we'll be fine. Okay. So there we go. Ha ha ha. Aha. I'm gonna make a run to that. I'm gonna make a run to that car. This is probably like a bait, but I just want to survive, please. Dang it, lag. Okay. Wait, this car does not work. I don't think it works. No. Okay, look for a working car. Hold on, just chill. Chillax, bro. It's a good break, bro. Okay, come on. I'll meet you guys up when something interesting happens. Okay, so there's a battle going on, and I'm going to try to get into it and kill both of them. And I'm probably going to lose because I'm only using a pistol. I see them. Man, my aim is so booty! Really, bro? I got 1 kill. Holy mac and cheese. Holy mac and cheese. Loot this guy really quickly. Okay, just loot this guy quickly. No. Remember, I cannot use those jets. No! Yeah, get up. What are you doing? Get up. Dang it, no! Loser! No! Don't, that's what just happened. It's not important. I suck at this game, okay? Yeah, why you bully me? As you guys just saw, I just got wrecked, so let's just get into another game. We're here in another game now, and I just fell off it. Apples? Where are these little things? No, no. No, PUBG, what the heck have you done? Bro, we're just dynamite each other. Bro, we gotta calm down. I got him. Okay, so, I'll meet you guys when we land. I'm kind of landing right now, and I have a feeling this was a terrible land. Oh man, this was a terrible land. Oh, I remember this place. It's the first place this is the first place I ever went to. When I first played PUBG. Okay, I need to get out of here. Give me again, man. Any type of gun. I need a pistol. Just get inside here. Really, that's all you can give me. Okay, machete works. A machete works. Extended pistol mag. What is that? No, what the heck, man? Okay. Frag grenade, why not? Oh god. Guys, look what's in my hand. It's the legendary pan. Spaghetti. Okay. I think I just saw someone there. I'm gonna try heading upstairs, so I'll be back when I get there. Actually, no, I'll show you. Spy mode activate. Get upstairs. Get up to them stairs. Get up to them stairs. Okay, there's a gun here which I cannot use because it's not a pistol. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, you just saw. I'm gonna have to get back to you when there's something interesting happen. Guys, I just hit the jackpot. I found myself a pistol. Now I just need to get rid of this. I don't need no shotgun there. Okay, now I have a pistol, a frying pan, 2 medkits, and I forgot what this thing's called. That medicine supply or whatever. I don't care. I just got a gun now. Okay, guys, I just found the best thing. An energy drink. Chug it, 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 chug it. Oh, that's good stuff. I feel so hyper now. Da, 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 oh. Da, 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 I was trying to snap these little bastards, but I just remembered. I'm doing the pistols only, I don't have sniper. This is my awesome bush camping skills. I'm gonna get spotted any second now. Where's that? Supply drop. I've been running for days, guys. I can't even know where I'm going anymore. All I know is that there's a supply drop that way, and that's all I know so far. Wait. Spaghetti roll-ups. you just saw me do the pistols only challenge, which I absolutely failed at. Yeet! Good job, mate. You tried your best, but you failed either way. So if you guys want me to do this challenge again later on in the future, or maybe tomorrow or for my next video, then yeah, I would definitely do it. But as you guys just saw, I failed it. So you guys click this video, you guys know that you were ready to see me fail. Anyway, see you next time and have a good day.